Hey everyone, my name is Mandra, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of cells. We'll dive into their structure, functions, and understand why they're essential to all living organisms. So, stick around and let's get started. A cell is the basic unit of life, the smallest structural and functional unit of all living organisms, capable of carrying out essential processes necessary for survival. Cells are like tiny factories, each performing a variety of tasks to keep the organism alive. Let's delve into the different parts of a cell and understand how each contributes to its overall function. Cells can be categorized into two main types: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are simpler and usually found in bacteria, while eukaryotic cells are more complex and found in plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Prokaryotic cells have a simpler structure and lack a defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Instead, their genetic material is located in a region called the nucleoid. Examples of prokaryotic cells include bacteria and archaea. These cells are typically smaller than eukaryotic cells and have a variety of shapes, such as rods, spheres, and spirals. Despite their simplicity, prokaryotic cells are incredibly diverse and can thrive in a wide range of environments. Eukaryotic cells have a defined nucleus and multiple membrane-bound organelles. Found in plants, animals, fungi, and protists, these cells house genetic material in the nucleus and utilize organelles like mitochondria for energy production, the endoplasmic reticulum for protein synthesis, and the Golgi apparatus for molecule modification and transport. Larger and more complex than prokaryotic cells, eukaryotes enable specialized functions and multicellular organisms. Let's uncover the intricate architecture of a cell. Now, let's talk about the cell membrane. The cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, is a crucial structure that surrounds the cell and acts as a selective barrier, regulating what enters and exits the cell. This membrane is composed of a phospholipid bilayer, which has two layers of phospholipids with hydrophilic, water-attracting, heads facing outward, and hydrophobic, water-repelling, tails facing inward. Embedded within this bilayer are various proteins that serve multiple functions. These proteins help transport molecules across the membrane, allowing nutrients to enter the cell and waste products to be expelled. They also play a role in cell signaling, which enables the cell to communicate with its environment and other cells. This communication is vital for processes such as growth, immune responses, and tissue repair. Additionally, the cell membrane maintains the cell's shape by providing structural support and interacting with the cytoskeleton, a network of fibers inside the cell. This structural support helps the cell maintain its integrity and function properly. Next, let's talk about the cytoplasm, the jelly-like substance that fills the cell and holds all the organelles in place. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that fills the inside of a cell. It is primarily composed of water, salts, and proteins, creating a semi-fluid environment. The cytoplasm surrounds all the cell's organelles, providing a medium for them to remain suspended and interact. Within the cytoplasm, many important cellular processes take place, including metabolic pathways such as glycolysis and protein synthesis. These processes are crucial for the cell's energy production and the creation of new proteins, which are necessary for cell function and growth. The cytoplasm also helps maintain the cell's shape by providing structural support. Now, let's explore the nucleus, the control center of the cell that contains the genetic material. Control center of the cell. The nucleus functions as the command center of the cell, regulating all cellular activities through the genetic instructions encoded in DNA. Contains the cell's DNA within the nucleus. DNA molecules are tightly packed into structures called chromosomes. These molecules carry the genetic blueprint that dictates the cell's structure and function. Surrounded by a double membrane, nuclear envelope, the nucleus is enclosed by a double membrane known as the nuclear envelope. This membrane separates the contents of the nucleus from the cytoplasm, providing a barrier that controls the passage of molecules in and out of the nucleus. Nuclear pores. Embedded within the nuclear envelope are nuclear pores, complex structures that regulate the exchange of molecules, such as RNA and proteins, between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. This regulation ensures that only specific molecules enter or leave the nucleus, maintaining cellular functions and genetic integrity. Contains the nucleolus, where ribosome production begins. The nucleus of the cell contains a structure called the nucleolus. This is where the assembly of ribosomes starts. Ribosomes are essential cellular structures involved in protein synthesis, regulate cell activities such as growth, metabolism, and reproduction. The nucleus plays a crucial role in regulating various cell activities. It controls processes like cell growth, metabolism, chemical reactions that occur within cells to maintain life, and reproduction, cell division and replication, essential for maintaining the integrity of genes and controlling cellular functions. The nucleus is vital for maintaining the integrity of genetic material, DNA, within the cell. It regulates gene expression and controls cellular functions by managing the production of proteins and other molecules necessary for cell survival and function. Next, let's take a look at the organelles, the specialized structures within a cell that perform distinct functions. The various organelles within a cell, including the mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and in plant cells, chloroplasts. Mitochondria are cellular organelles involved in energy production, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. The main function of mitochondria is the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, through cellular respiration. This process converts biochemical energy from nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, providing energy that powers various cellular activities. The mitochondria exhibit a complex structure, composed of two distinct membranes, an outer membrane that surrounds the organelle, and an inner membrane which is extensively folded into structures known as cristae. These cristae greatly increase the surface area available for the chemical reactions involved in ATP production through cellular respiration. Mitochondrial DNA contains its own unique DNA, which is inherited maternally. Mitochondria contain their own unique DNA, separate from nuclear DNA, and this mitochondrial DNA is passed down exclusively from the mother. Mitochondria play a crucial role in cellular metabolism, particularly in the breakdown and utilization of fatty acids and carbohydrates to generate energy through processes like beta oxidation and the citric acid cycle. Ribosomes are fundamental cellular structures responsible for synthesizing proteins. Ribosomes consist of ribosomal RNA, and proteins, essential for protein synthesis within cells. Ribosomes are located either freely floating in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, forming what is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes function by translating messenger RNA, mRNA, sequences into chains of amino acids, thereby synthesizing proteins within the cell. Importance: essential for cell growth and function due to their role in protein synthesis. Ribosomes are like tiny protein factories inside cells, crucial for cell growth and function because they make the proteins cells need. The endoplasmic reticulum, is like a busy network of passageways inside eukaryotic cells, and it comes in two types. A. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Its structure is like this. It's covered with ribosomes, which makes it look rough. Its function is to make and process proteins. It also helps proteins fold properly and add sugars to them. B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. Its structure is like this. Lack ribosomes. It doesn't have ribosomes, so it looks smooth. Its job is to make lipids, fats, detoxify harmful substances, and store calcium. The endoplasmic reticulum is super important for making and processing proteins and lipids, which are crucial for cell function. If the endoplasmic reticulum doesn't work properly, it can cause serious diseases. Cellular organelles involved in the production and processing of proteins and lipids include the endoplasmic reticulum, and the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus plays a critical role in eukaryotic cells by processing, packaging, and sorting proteins and lipids, essential for cell function and communication. Cellular organelles. The Golgi apparatus structure includes stacked, flattened pouches called cisternae. It is polarized, featuring a receiving side, cis face, and a shipping side, trans face. The Golgi apparatus functions include receiving and modifying proteins and lipids from the endoplasmic reticulum, organizing and packaging these molecules, and transporting them to their final destinations such as the cell membrane or outside the cell. The Golgi apparatus is crucial for ensuring proper cellular function, and plays a vital role in secretion, particularly in cells that produce hormones and other secretory products. Structure of lysosomes. Lysosomes are specialized organelles, enclosed by membranes, typically found within cells. They contain digestive enzymes that break down various biomolecules and cellular debris. Are essential organelles responsible for breaking down and digesting cellular macromolecules, such as proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids, as well as waste materials. This process helps maintain cellular homeostasis and recycles nutrients for reuse by the cell. As previously mentioned, lysosomes are equipped with specialized digestive enzymes that operate most effectively in their acidic internal environment. These enzymes facilitate the breakdown and digestion of various cellular components and waste materials. Lysosomes engage in fusion processes with endocytic vesicles and phagosomes, combining their contents to facilitate the digestion of materials within the cell. This merging allows lysosomal enzymes to efficiently break down various substances for recycling or disposal. Lysosomes play a pivotal role in the cell's recycling system by breaking down and recycling damaged molecules. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health and ensuring proper cellular function. The key cellular organelles involved in the process of energy production from light, or photosynthesis, include chloroplasts in plant cells and other phototrophic organisms. Chloroplasts are primarily located in plant cells and are also present in algae. These organelles are crucial for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy. Chloroplasts are crucial in photosynthesis because they capture light energy and convert it into chemical energy that plants use for growth and development. Chloroplasts contain specialized pigments, notably chlorophyll, which are essential for absorbing sunlight during photosynthesis. This absorption of light energy is fundamental to the process of converting light into chemical energy within plant cells. As I mentioned earlier, chloroplasts absorb sunlight and convert it into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. This conversion of light energy into chemical bonds is essential for the growth and metabolic functions of plant cells. Production of glucose and oxygen. Through the process of photosynthesis, chloroplasts utilize absorbed sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce glucose, a form of chemical energy stored in plants. Additionally, oxygen is released as a byproduct into the atmosphere, contributing to the oxygen cycle essential for life on Earth. Okay, that's the end. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. If you found it enjoyable, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.